Hello, Hardreset here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with DiDi app on the iOS. So first, what you want to do is go up to the App Store, find your DiDi app, DiDi, right there. We got our DiDi app, and we need to, maybe you just don't have the newest update of the app. That's the most common issue, and that's why you need to update the app. But if you have, like me, the updated app to the newest version, and still you have some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. First way is just go to the settings, go all the way down, go to apps, and find your DiDi app. Right there, we got our DiDi app, and we need to change every settings on the Fabric. So right there, Siri, here is Fabric, search Fabric, live activities Fabric, and background app refresh on. Language doesn't matter. After this, the rest of issues should be fixed, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you one more way how to fix it. Last way is just you take your DiDi app, remove the app, uninstall, go back to the App Store and install again. That should fix any issues and problems. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.